What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to Vancouver's Worst Drivers. So today is the announcement for the first winner of the monthly contest presented by Black Box My Car for a $50 in-store credit to Black Box My Car. So stay tuned to the end of this video to see who wins, and if you guys are interested in entering, all you have to do is submit videos to me. That's it. So all the video submissions for the month of July will be eligible. You can take a look at my video in the link in the description below to check out more details about this contest. MJ Installs is also doing a giveaway. This time it's a $75 gift card to Amazon. So check out my Instagram for more details on that in the next couple of days. Also follow MJ Installs and message him if you're interested in getting your Dashcam professionally installed. Alright, so let's get into the videos, starting with this one from Evo X Visual. This driver apparently was distracted, was trying to get up something off the floor, hit the side of his Mini, and then flipped her vehicle. I just don't understand how this is possible with no other obstacles around except this one other car. This is unfortunately the aftermath of a Mini, totally messed up rear axle for sure. Just a bizarre, chaotic situation to say the least. Here's an insanely close call from Albert. Albert's going through his green light. This white van is clearly running a red light here. Smokes the back end of his vehicle actually and just drives off. Here's a photo of the damage from the back of his vehicle from this accident. And it is actually a miracle that Albert didn't get T-boned in this situation. Here's another hit and run situation captured on home security camera. Unfortunately, Betty doesn't have a dash cam to get the license plate of this guy, but basically the white pickup truck just turns right too sharp, hits the front end of her vehicle, and leaves the scene. You'd think professional drivers would have to be alert all the time to avoid accidents, but clearly this taxi driver is not like one of those drivers. Here's a bizarre situation going on here. Take a look on the left-hand side of the screen. Looks like this Mercedes is trying to turn left, even though they don't have a left turn arrow. And instead of just going to the next left turn, they're trying to stop in the middle of the road, only to get honked and harassed by drivers till they move. Here's something you don't see every day on Highway 1. Looks like some sort of like police incident going on. This RCMP officer jumps over HOV lane, so just take a look on that left side, because this is going to cause an accident. This motorcyclist is not paying attention and just smashes right into the back of this Nissan. Fortunately, he looks like he's okay, gets up from the accident, but you'd think with a vehicle that light that you could brake a little bit faster. Poor Benjamin here runs into this situation where this driver doesn't shoulder check and just clips the front end of his vehicle. Fortunately, this girl admitted it was her fault, but still $3,000 damage apparently on Benjamin's car in this situation. Alright, so check out this driver in Richmond, okay? This white car on the left. Cuts off Hugh right off the bat here. Not a massive deal, but still kind of a asshole move to be trying to pull this off. And then the same car cuts Hugh off again to get into the left turn lane. And if you fast forward a few moments later, then decides to do a U-turn right in front of this Range Rover as they're trying to turn left. I feel like the likelihood of this guy getting in an accident in the next week is basically 100% chance. Here's another Richmond clip for all you guys. So this white SUV is going to get stuck in the middle of this intersection. And what boggles my mind is why they just don't turn right and go into the right-hand lane and then proceed through the intersection. Instead, they decide to reverse all the way back to where they started just to do the whole process all over again. I'm trying to figure out, does this vehicle go on the sidewalk or does it go on the road? And frankly, you know what? I think the guy who owns this doesn't really know either. Here's another crosswalk clip for you guys. In this situation, this white car just has zero patience for this pedestrian and almost clips him right on the front of his toes. Up here it says, no right turn on a red light. This CRV just is having none of that and just proceeds right through and actually drives around this guy to go through this intersection illegally. Vancity Rideshare captures this scary car accident where this cement truck just runs this BMW right off a road. And I gotta say, if I was this BMW driver, I would be a little bit nervous driving around vehicles this side from now on. When I see people doing stuff like this, I just ask myself, but why?
Into right away, cyclist. You have a stop sign, you know that?
And then Katcorot also captures this clip. That's why you always use your turn signals even if you don't see people around you. Jordan Wong captured this brilliant fail in Langley. And ladies and gentlemen, I just don't understand how this happens on a regular basis, okay? You got this white sign and the yellow and black sign, both saying to stay on the right of the barrier. Yeah, this guy is going to stay on the left. I just don't understand. This is so sketchy for Philip because as he's turning left, there's a cyclist going to be right here. This is a situation that nobody anticipates running into. And then on the other hand, people running stop signs is exactly what you need to anticipate in Vancouver. I swear, if ICBC sees more and more of these kind of claims, people are going to be forced to back into stalls only. You know, I get it. The guy's trying to go around this guy turning left, but one, he's not using his turn signal, and B, if you're going to take up 2 lanes, at least just back up to let the other guy pass you. Here's another head-scratching moment. This red truck is trying to get in. I guess he just decides, you know what, screw it. Even though he's crossing a solid white lane anyways, he's just going to make his own right turn lane. From a far left lane, too bad he gets blocked off by the bus. Here's an example of some insanely reckless driving. This guy's straight out of Grand Theft Auto, driving right through this left turn lane, and then driving into the left turn lane on the other side. Because, you know, why the hell not? And then a similar situation happening here. This time this guy uses the sharing lane basically just to pass the truck. I don't know, is this illegal? Can somebody explain to me if it is or not? Here's another prime example of someone who's just a little too excited for a green light. The problem is it's not his green light and he tries to proceed through the intersection. And he just doesn't even seem that motivated to go back to the spot he came from either. And then here's a guy who almost hits Kevin doing the exact same thing. Sorry, buddy, even though you're driving an older model G-Wagon, you're just not special enough to pull maneuvers like this. CJ captures this driver going straight through a left turn only lane, and then he waves back at everybody. Not really sure if that's like a thanks for letting me in or like see you later losers, you know what I mean? This happened in my old neighborhood of Lynn Valley. Not exactly sure what the point of that was. Poor Steven, people just love cutting this guy off. Starting with this white car with a super late right turn signal, and then this car cutting right in front of him as he's trying to pass through the yellow. I feel like if you're a smart car driver and you want to do a maneuver like this in front of a London drugs truck, I think it's just so idiotic. Just wait till the next exit, buddy. This incident captured by Mitch on Dashcam is just so comical. Just because this guy has to work so hard just to do such an illegal move. So keep your eye on the gray SUV. And this is just a warning for all you guys who drive in Vancouver or don't visit very often to Vancouver. Do not speed on Marine Drive, alright? There are so many of these speed traps there, it's not even funny. So keep your eye on the left-hand side of the screen. This white SUV almost comes to a complete standstill just to make this off-ramp. So Chris captures this clip where this mattress flies off the back of this guy's trailer, ends up on Highway 1, and the comical thing about this is that this guy pulls over as if he's going to go walk back over 4 lanes of traffic to go pick up the mattress. What would you guys do in this situation? Let me know in the comments section below. Personally, I would just leave a mattress. It's not worth getting hit by a car on Highway 1. This situation right here, this green light's not even close to this driver who proceeds through. He just sees a green light in his peripheral and decides, I have to go right now. This clip kind of reminds me of that scene in Back to the Future where they're trying to teleport back in time, except this guy's just going to end up teleporting into an impound lot. Alright guys, so without further ado, I want to announce the first monthly winner of the Black Box My Car monthly giveaway contest. And I want to just thank Black Box My Car for supporting this channel, for supporting this monthly giveaway, which I think is awesome. If you guys are interested in any dash cams, just check them out, blackboxmycar.com. I've got a link in the description below if you want to check them out for any dash cams or accessories. And so yeah, without further ado, I want to announce this month's winner is Mirko. Congratulations to Mirko for winning the July monthly giveaway. If you guys are interested in winning the August monthly giveaway, just send in your videos, and if they're featured in the next couple of videos I post, you're entered. It's really just that simple.